Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do a rear motor mount on a Mazdaspeed3. This is the 2011 through 2013s. And what you're going to see under here is you're going to see this bolt I almost have all the way out. You're going to need to take that bolt out, and you're going to want to take this bolt out right here. So that one, because that's your motor mount. And there's a bolt holding it to the subframe right here. So you want to take that one out, and that one out. Take them all out. You can leave, oh, and this one. You can leave that one in because this has got to swing down for you to put the next one in. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4 out, and then I'll come back when I'm getting ready to put the next one in. Alright guys. So I'm back here. I got this one out. I got this one completely loose, and I got these two broke free. Pro tip: leave these two in. Break them loose, spin them a few times, leave them in. Otherwise, you go to break this one or this one loose, you're gonna shake the whole motor. It's not gonna want to go. So now you take this one out. They're the two stubby ones. They're real short and thick. And then you should be able to spin these ones out. And this one is a little bit longer and thinner than those two. And then this last one down here, I'm probably gonna need both hands to do real quick. So this is a 17 millimeter right here. And then the other two are gonna be, these two are gonna be 19s. And then the one that goes through is, I believe, another 17. Now, it's just going to spin in there. You got to wiggle it, pull it out. So here is the stock motor mount. It's got a lot of rubber, a lot of play in it, obviously to keep the vibration in the cab down. Now, I'm replacing mine because I got a stage 2 on my car. And I'm going JBR chromoly, way less rubber, way stiffer and harder rubber, and a way stiffer mount. So this was the one on their website that said it was meant for actual launching and aggressive driving. So I went with this one. I think it was like 80 bucks. That wasn't bad. Now let's put it in, same way, except it comes with a new bolt right here. And the lock washer and a nut, because the other nut is welded on. So let's get this put in, and then let's get a video of the vibration on the inside to see how bad it is. Alright, that's what it's going to look like when it's installed. It is a pain to get everything lined up correctly, at least with the JBR chromoly. Because of how stiff it is. What I had to do is I had to unbolt everything, and then you had to move the motor around and get everything to fit basically all at once, and then start tightening each one slowly with that one, then that, a little bit of that one, and a little bit of that one, and I just keep moving this one, that one, and that one. Keep going until they're all pretty far in, then you can start tightening them separately. But let's get some vibration from the cab. Let's see how bad it is. System ready. All right, guys, let's get a start up. Now I think my rear motor mount was going bad anyways. I'm not sure. Whenever I was shifting and I let out the clutch, I would hear a squeaking, kind of like the motor was shifting back and forth. It wasn't too bad. If I had my radio on normal noise, you couldn't really hear it. But let's go ahead and start this up and see how bad the vibration truly is. It feels so raw, like feels like I have raw power now. Like everything's just so solid. I'm gonna let it warm up here. I'm gonna see. Let's see when the access port turns on. See what our coolant temp's at, and then we'll go from there. Okay, 115, not bad. Now I'm gonna set you guys on the steering wheel It's not a lot of vibration, but you could probably tell in the video. It's a little bit. Personally, sitting in my seat, the only place I feel it is in my feet. And me holding on to the steering wheel, I can feel it. It's not that bad. I had a small vibration before anyways, because I'm waiting for my tuner to send me back a revised tune for my mass airflow sensor. So I've been idling a little rough anyways, and honestly, this is not that bad. We're gonna go on a drive. The camera shouldn't be shaking too much. It doesn't look like it is. I'm not gonna play the radio, I'm not gonna do anything, just so you guys can hear how noisy it is and hear all the creaks and everything. Also, it's a lot harder to take off at like 1200 RPM in first. Sometimes I find myself going up to like 1500. Shifting, when you press back on the gas, you feel a clunk. I'm not sure what that is. I think it's the rear motor mount just like hitting and not allowing the motor to move. So we're just gonna go on a short test drive right now. See how it is. Downshifting is fine. Doesn't make any weird noises or anything. I think it's mostly taking off. You can take off and have not a lot of creaks on the inside if you just take off at a little bit higher of an RPM. So like taking off at 1500 RPM, everything in here is relatively, quiet. Like that's 1200 RPM right there. You heard the rattles. After you install it, you're gonna want to make sure that you're gonna re-torque all your bolts down. I checked them the next day and the day after that, just to make sure that you're still tight, just in case. I like JBR. They're a good brand. They're good quality, and they're reasonably priced. Cork Sport I find is a little overpriced. Same with Cobb. So if you want, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to be posting a lot more. Also, hopefully get some videos of me roll racing with my buddy who's got a Gen 1 Speed 3. Yeah, so there's big things coming for this Mazda. And hopefully I can show some of you guys who are new to it how to do it. I mean, I'm brand new to this car. I bought this car in January and it's March. Alright, if you guys liked the install video, you want to see some more installs, you want to see some more parts go on this car, you want to see it get faster, you're going to want to see it look better, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. That way I'll be able to keep making videos. I know that you guys will want these videos to watch.